Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we have SiteSpeak AI, and this is an amazing and best GPT supported AI chatbot. So if you're looking for creating AI chatbots for your clients or for yourself, this is an amazing platform for you. But before that, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trails and also exclusive benefits. So make sure to give it a try in the link which is in the description. Now, SiteSpeak AI, an amazing platform indeed. You can see it has a sample customer support chatbot already created in here that you can try out for yourself as well. I'm going to be entering a prompt: why is SiteSpeak AI better than ChatGPT? And you can see how nicely it provides the answers to the questions. You can simply figure out for yourself as well what works for the best for you, and it has a lot of features that are going to be saving time and money for you guys. So make sure to give it a try, and all the features are available in here. The dashboard is going to be providing you a really dynamic control over the features, like for example your dashboard, inbox, sources. You can even change the appearance, and all of these advanced plugins and settings are available in here as well. So if you want to start with chatbots and create something which is AI powered for your platform, this is the perfect platform for you guys. SiteSpeak AI. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trails and also exclusive benefits. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.